What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Smash in the building, man. Y'all see what's going on. We done made it over here to the shop. So that means we got some things to talk about. And you see we got Jeremy in the background and we ain't cutting his ass neither. Stay tuned for this one, guys. All right, y'all. All right, guys. Welcome back. Like I said, we done made it to the shop. We got some things to talk about, man. Really excited. Really happy right now. So we got some good things going on. But before we get going, we're gonna look around the shop. We're gonna show y'all some of the cars that's in the shop, some of the things that's going on, some of the mods that's been going on and stuff like that. I'll show you guys some of that stuff. And then we'll get to the meat and potatoes, as we like to call it. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. Like I said, stick around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get going. All right, guys. It's always busy in the shop, man. It's always busy. Always busy. You know what I mean? So got this nice Z06 that's in here. He was in here last time. Can't remember what all he was getting done. Maybe a motor. But this thing is real clean. Real clean. As you see, it is a manual. You know what I mean? So, hey. Real nice, real nice. Yeah, he's high in the front and the back, so he definitely don't have a motor in here at all. Probably no rear suspension or something like that. Well, I say rear suspension, but he's definitely probably missing the gas tank or something back here for sure. See how high that is? Yeah, definitely. And then he got the train out there. See that? That's why it's so damn loud. So we got the 350Z. This guy is always in here. He's always getting some stuff done. Real nice build. Real nice car. Track build, of course, as you can see. This thing's like really crazy. Like, look at the plexiglass back there and everything. Like, roll cage, fire suppression system, carbon panel, like all type of stuff in here, man. This thing is one crazy Z. How often? Let me know in the comments how often that you seen a 350Z that look like this. Real crazy for sure, but definitely one of a kind build. Then we got Jeremy's car over here, his C5 Corvette. And I love Jeremy always doing some crazy things to this stuff because, if you don't know, Jeremy road races or whatever. So this is like one of his track cars. He has his Mustang over here, which was originally his track car, but he retired that one and he decided to do the C5. But the thing that I like about Jeremy, he's always doing some custom things. Look at that thing right there. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a nice little air scoop. But what does that air scoop do? He didn't design, obviously, the air scoop right there. He didn't design the heat extractor, as you see as I walk over here, in full carbon. Now, you got to clean it up a little bit, of course, he said, but this was just like the rough piece to see how everything works, and he just set this in today. Look how crazy this thing looks. My goodness gracious, that is insane. So as you see, the air comes in through that bottom piece that I showed you. Come in through there, comes all the way up, and then that's his radiator down there with the big fan, and it comes straight out the heat extractors right there. Real crazy how he did that. I love that. Really love that. So he said he hasn't got a chance to test it out, obviously, because he just put it on today, but this thing is going to be nice as far as cooling and, make sure everything, stays together. I think that's going to be real nice for this car. So stay tuned to see how that goes about and his review on how everything went about with that one. So we're going to keep going around. We got the Camaro over here. He just got his motor put in. So he got a build motor, rods and pistons. I think he's making around like 500 or 600 or something like that. He wasn't going too crazy with the build. This is a NA build, but just got the motor put in. I think I heard this last week and it was real nasty. Sound real good. So definitely real nice on that for sure. And as we keep moving, like I said, it's always cars back here. But one thing that you do see, or one thing that you don't see, is my car was back there in that corner, guys. My car was sitting back there in that spot behind the Corvette. If you remember in all the other videos, if you paid attention, my car was sitting back there. So that means if it's not back there, where is my car at? Let's see if we can look around now. Ooh, hold on now. We see something over there now. Oh, yeah, guys. I'm excited. Let's get over there so we can talk more about it. All right, guys. Y'all see in the background, you see we got the car back here. So you know I'm excited. You definitely know I'm excited, man. That means the car's getting worked on. We getting some things going. So let's see, or let's talk about what all we getting done. We'll get a sneak peek because it's really a lot. It's definitely a lot. But we'll get a little sneak peek of basically what I got going on. So we doing a lot of carbon things, a lot of carbon pieces, visuals on the outside and on the inside as well. You know what I mean? So this is going to come together very, very nicely. We have a splitter, we have side skirts, we have carbon side pieces in the inside as far as, you know, the center console and stuff like that. A lot of stuff that's going in the engine bay. You know, we're not going to be able to talk about everything because I can't remember everything off the top of my head, but nonetheless, there's a lot of things that get done. But one of the main things that is getting done right now, or that we're going to get done, matter of fact, I guess I can walk around and show you guys. Let's see. So as we walk around, you know, we still got the big sticky Mickeys, man. I can't wait to get those switched out, man. We got some weld wheels as well. Like I said, there's a lot of things that's getting put on for sure. You know what I mean? If you don't know, you do know. You know the handle. Come on now. Y'all know what's going on. But we're going to walk around. We're going to see the hood is open. The hood is open. So there must be something going on in here. What is, oh my good, is that a motor? Hold on now. Is that a motor? Oh my goodness. The 403 Stoker has landed, guys. God damn. I'm excited as hell. Definitely excited. The motor has landed. The motor is in the car. Man, the damn car would have been damn near completed. But we got a few things we got to take care of. We got a few things we got to take care of that we found, you know, with some catastrophic pieces that we done found floating around, big ass piston chunks and shit. We gonna get that taken care of. But as far as this motor, you know, that wasn't that. We'll say that was, I don't even know where my intake went, but we found these pieces right here sitting in my damn intake. And that's actually over there, right there. So we're gonna see if we could possibly clean this up, and because I really don't want to buy another one. So we're going to clean it up. We're going to see if everything looks good. Make sure we can get all the chunks out of there, everything. I'm talking about hot tank, put it in the water, swish it around, the whole 9 yards, guys. You know what I mean? But nonetheless, over here, the motor is in the car. And it's about this close. Sorry about my assy hands because I've been out here working. This close from getting done, guys. That close. So best believe I'm definitely excited. Definitely happy as hell. I haven't even heard the thing. I don't know what it sound like yet. I don't know any of that. We still ran the same cam, but we do have a 403 Stoker, forged rods, wide scope pistons, forged crank, and everything else has been touched with it and been upgraded. You know what I mean? Fully reworked heads and everything. We talking bronze guides, you know. Everything has been touched. Everything is ready to go. You know what I mean? So I am excited. Very excited. Very excited. So stay tuned, guys. We getting this thing rocking and rolling. And man, when I tell you, with that first startup, my smile is going to be huge. It's going to be huge. So of course, when we get this done, we got the break-in period. So we got to get that going, you know, but just for me to be able to just drive to car shows is going to be huge for me. Literally huge for me, because my car, if I remember right, my car has been down since like October of last year, probably November, but somewhere in between there for sure, my car has been down. So my car has been down for a while. You know, when you building a motor, you going through the process, everybody know it's not cheap. Everybody know. If you've been through this process, you know it's not cheap. You spending money on this, you spending money on that, and when you're done spending money on that, you find this and that's wrong with this and that. It's always something that's going on. Just for instance, right? So they had the car up in the air. I'm just going around checking on everything like that. Why did I find a slash in my tire, guys? I found a slash. And that's not something that somebody did, obviously. But it's just over, you know, use or whatever. And the tire's still down there brand new. So guess what? Your boy got to get some radios. So stay tuned for that video, because we're going to do a fat-ass burnout to melt those off for sure. But, man, guys, the thing is, it never stops. It never stops. You always got to keep grinding. You always got to keep going, because there's always problems, and you always got to solve them. You know what I mean? So, like I said, this is coming together real nicely. Big shout out to Dare to Dream. You know what I mean? They always get me together. I love my shop. Been working with them for damn near almost a decade, guys. Damn near almost a decade. Big shout out to these guys, man. And like I said, when this thing gets fully going, installed, and ready to go, we gonna be out here nasty, guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy's about to get out of here, and we out with another one. All right, gang.